Alright guys, just a straightforward installation on the Auxbeam that I got. It come with the big positive wire and a big negative wire. You just pretty much put the positive in the positive battery and the negative just put it to ground, and on the panels same thing, the positive go from here to the positive terminal on the switch assembly, and the negative go to the ground. And it also come with this the master switch power cable, and that one you just like heat shrink it. You can order some of these from Amazon or eBay and just heat shrink it and then tuck it into your fuse box. And for the fuse box I use a Fuse M6. It's right here, and you just take one of the fuse out from there and just connect it to the fuse right here, and I just loop around. And this one come with the Auxbeam as well, and you just connect that to this, loop it around to this side. There's also a firewall right there, you can't go through that, and then it'll come out somewhere on this side, but I didn't want to do that, so I just put it through here. You'll see some light right there. I'll just slide it through. It'll go through this right here and then come around into this panel. Now, this is pretty easy to take out. You just pry it open from the middle and it'll just pop right out, and then it'll go through that, and then it'll just connect to the switch panel right here with it comes with that. Just twist and plug it in and just tuck it back in here. For this section right here, the speaker, they have a hole where you can get a bolt. You'll just go right into it, and then you can use like a small nut, as you can see, just tighten that, and then it'll just go right on. Pretty straightforward, and it's pretty clean as well, and it's not going anywhere. And this right here is for the sway bar and axle lock and all that stuff. I'm trying to install it probably later on so I can use it on here, but as of right now I just want to show you how you can get to that. Pretty easy to plug in and out as well, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Just let me know if you need any other question or have any other question